morning. Slept real good last night. It's nice that we got up in elevation, so it was a bit cooler than Sedona. We're up in the mountains just outside of Prescott Valley. It's pretty up here. So now we're just whipping up coffee like always. Doing some dishes from last night that we were too lazy to do. And then I think we're just gonna have a little bit of an art day, get a few projects done. Another art day.
That's all we've been doing.
Probably go on a little hike around here. There's a trail just down the road, so we might go hit that. Breakfast burger. So we finally got out of the van and we're going on a hike. We're in Black Canyon City. We've been here before, but we've never been on this hike. So there's lots of saguaros. Super cool. A lot different than Utah. That's for sure.
Better.
Yeah.
Well, in different ways.
Yeah, in different ways, for sure. Weird little cemetery next to this trail.
Yeah, with the parking meter.
The parking meter that says expired. And across, I don't know if this is somebody's backyard or if they... It doesn't look like a city-run cemetery. I don't know. I don't know. Maybe it is, and this is just such a small city. Only a few people want to be buried here. I don't know. A little bit creepy, but... got some nice artwork there for the dead.
Did y'all know there were tortoises in the desert? Because I sure as hell did not. Crazy. Mind blowing. In another state with a fire.
Making smoothies. Made a little breakfast pizza thing. We're at a park. Just gonna spend the day here in the shade where it's not so hot. We haven't been vlogging very much over the last couple days. We've been stuck in the Phoenix area waiting for an appointment Cam had. So we just kind of been spending the days in parks, chilling, reading. Hasn't been too exciting, so we haven't made too many videos of it. It's been a nice, relaxing few days, but kind of boring as far as the vlog goes. So that's why we haven't really recorded anything.
But now we're finally able to leave Phoenix. So
we're
that's
hustling
good.
the fuck out of here.
Yeah.
And we're heading towards Lake Havasu, which is on the border of Arizona and California. Yeah, it'll be by a lake, and we'll be able to use our paddleboard and just enjoy the warm weather.
Just a little backstory about Vanellope. her gas tanks don't work. And there's 2 of them. And so just a fun little game we like to play is, are we gonna run out of gas or not?
Huh?
And we almost did.
We did not almost.
We did.
When that one goes empty, we just, while we're driving, switch it to the back one. But there's also an issue where the back one likes to flow over into the front one. So we don't always know how much is gonna be in the back one when we switch to it.
If there is any at all.
But
So yeah.
we're always able to make it, and we got a reserve. We got a gas tank, a 5-gallon gas tank on the back, so we're totally fine.
We
No need to
almost
be
weren't.
dramatic.
We were stressing for a good 30 minutes though.
Maybe 15.
It was like 20.
But we're safe. We made it to a spot where we're gonna stay the night. I'm gonna cook up some ramen, our go-to, and yeah.